रत्नाकरा धौतपदम हिमालया कीर्तिनम ब्रह्मराज ऋषि रत्नाध्यम वंदे भारत मातरम.
Salute to my mother India, whose feet are washed by the sea, adorned with Himalaya, she who possesses many intellectual sages and king sages. Our independence is a saga of many unsung heroes who served their motherland selflessly and fearlessly.
As we are struggling to free our society from the pandemic, let's salute all freedom fighters who fought for our country and all the frontline workers who are working relentlessly in this pandemic.
India certainly has traveled a long way since then and has made stellar progress in various fields, be it science and technology,
Mangalyaan and Chandrayaan,
infrastructure,
the Western Ghats that are considered as one of the 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity in the world.
social or health,
The midday meal scheme of Government of India is the world's largest scheme for the kids serving.
or be it politics.
India was the first country in Southeast Asia that decided to have a democratic form of government soon after the independence.
The oldest civilizations in the world with a kaleidoscopic variety and rich cultural heritage. From Kashmiri Rogan, the famous Idli Sambar of Tamil Nadu, India is the land of varied flavors where each of us believe in unity in diversity.
No matter where we go, what religion we practice, or what culture we cultivate, at the heart of everything, we are proud Indians with the same ambition and aspiration of creating our Bharat Mahan. And this can be done by being more socially responsible. So let's take a look on how our peers are striving to be more socially responsible.
In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Every citizen plays a key role in building a new India, a clean, healthy, and prosperous nation. Being cognitive and compassionate is how we can provide the future of the nation with a strong platform through a right paradigm and bring about a change using which they will be able to lead the future. Being socially aware and bringing that impact is not limited just to the members of the SRC, as displayed by the amazing contribution of students to society. There are innumerable ways in which each one of us could be valuable contributors to the committee's functioning by constantly working towards the betterment of society at individual and collective levels.
Acting collectively. At the same time, emphasizing that working in unity is quintessential. Hence, driving this enthusiasm and movement ahead, let us pledge to devote ourselves to the welfare of the country and its people, if not wholly, then certainly substantially for the betterment of the nation, for all our actions have consequences. एक पल एक प्रयास देश के नाम